In the bustling city of Nutriville, a group of extraordinary individuals has emerged, known far and wide as the superfood parents. They are on a mission to transform their families' lives through the power of nutrition, one delicious bite at a time. Meet Chef Laquita Marie, the culinary mastermind behind the Superfood Parents Playbook. With boundless enthusiasm, she welcomes you to embark on a thrilling journey to becoming a true superfood hero. But what exactly does that mean? In Nutriville, superfood parents are everyday heroes. These superfood parents lead the charge for better health, but not with capes. They lead with carrots, and whole food fats like avocados. And instead of masks, they lead with mangoes and berries. Fruits and vegetables are the disease-destroying arsenal of heroes. Are you a disease-destroyer superhero for your loved ones? Fruits and veggies fuel the mission of heroes like Veggie Vixen. Are you a Veggie Vixen for your loved ones? Dedicated to ensuring their loved ones thrive on a diet rich in faves, fruits and vegetables. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to guide your family to superhero status by reaching the highest levels of health and wellness daily. Become a plant-powered titan, a superfood avenger, or even a face crusader by earning 5 points for every fruit or vegetable eaten. It's a fun-filled quest where nutrition meets excitement. All of the digital details are at superfoodparents.com for the full experience. Superfood Parents has also created workbooks, where you'll discover the tools you need for success. These workbooks give you heroic strategies to craft your grocery list like a seasoned hero, which means you now have a playbook to even track your weekly meals like a true champion. And engage in mind-bending nutritional education with word searches that will keep your family entertained and informed. So, are you ready to join the ranks of the superfood parents? Are you prepared to unleash the power of faith and make every meal a heroic endeavor? If so, flip the page of the Superfood Playbook and let's begin your journey to becoming the ultimate superfood hero.
To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
5 great ways to boost your high.
Cannabis experts,
Now,
great
before
channel.
we go any further, no, the solution to boosting your high is not to smoke more weed. That's not really the point of this video. Instead, we want to show you ways you can improve your high without using more cannabis. And believe us when we say you can. First off, have you considered changing the strain of the cannabis you smoke? We ask because it's easy for the body to become accustomed to and more tolerant of cannabis if you use the same strain all the time. The result can often mean smoking more cannabis to get the same results, let alone any possibility of a boost. Have you also considered how to use cannabis? Maybe you'd get a better high from some edibles. Better still, either before or after you smoke or before you have some edibles, try a few slices of mango. Yes, seriously, because mango contains what is known as myrcene. Myrcene is a terpene, and terpenes are renowned for entering into the bloodstream seriously quickly, and when they do, they will react with any THC that is there, resulting in a longer lasting or more intense high. Now, here's a thought. You know we mentioned about becoming tolerant to cannabis above? Well, did you know that if you don't use cannabis roughly for a fortnight, that tolerance diminishes by up to a half? Now, don't scream at us for this suggestion, but if you avoid cannabis for a month, clinical trials have shown that your tolerance levels would have reverted back to normal. But hey, it'll just be like starting over again with your first ever joint. Finally, and the one we like the least, is to do more exercise and eat a little less. Now, this may sound like the standard spiel for a diet, and you'd be right. However, the weight loss here is just a consequence of what you're actually trying to achieve. You see, THC is stored in body fat, and burning off body fat will release the THC into your system. So, after an extensive workout, you should get a better high from a joint, especially when you add it to all the endorphins that your body is also releasing. We would add that going on any form of diet or starting an exercise regime should never be done